This pan-seared chicken recipe is so simple and delicious. What's up? What's up? It's your boy Saucy Rossi, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. It was like minus 20 degrees outside, so I chilled out on the barbecue for one night and I decided to oven roast a chicken. I thought I'd show you exactly how I do it. It's all about the frying pan that I use because it can go directly in the oven. It makes things way easier and you end up with juicy, tender, and delicious chicken. Let's talk about it starting from the beginning. I'm going to make a homemade butter, starting off with just a little bit of butter. And I'm going to use a barbecue seasoning, specifically Uncle Hemi's Gochu week, but honestly, any barbecue dry rub that you like will work in this situation. As you can see here, I'm adding a liberal amount to that butter. Then we're going to go in with some rosemary. Now, I'm going to take my hand and I'm just going to mix this all together. It's really important that we incorporate this. Once we have our butter fully mixed together, it's going to look absolutely fantastic. Let's grab our chicken and we're going to dry it off, both the top and bottom. Make sure you give it a good wipe. We want all that humidity off. That's going to help our chicken crisp up a lot better. Then we're going to take that butter and smear it all over the bottom, then all underneath the skin and over top of the skin. It's really important that we evenly disperse the butter here. This is really going to help the chicken cook. It's going to help us achieve that delicious crispy skin. Make sure you're evenly spreading it out and getting that fully covered on the chicken. Now, I'm going to get my frying pan. It's by the Rock, and it has metal handles, which allow it to go directly into the oven. You don't have to transfer the chicken out of this frying pan. You can put this entire frying pan directly into the oven. That is a huge win, and it makes cooking this chicken way easier. So we're going to put this on medium heat on an induction oven. A regular stovetop will work perfectly fine, and you're going to leave it there for just a couple of minutes. I have mine on about medium heat, 4 out of 10, and as you can see here, I got some crispy skin from that butter. I probably could have gone another 30, maybe even 45 seconds to get it extra crispy, but don't worry. When it goes in the oven, it's going to also continue crisping up that skin. And as you can see here, this looks beautiful. Pulled this frying pan directly out of the oven, and man, oh man, after about 35 minutes at 375 degrees, we have a delicious chicken. Now look, if you have a meat thermometer, monitor it. Make sure it is past 165 degrees internal. But at 375 degrees after 35 minutes and giving it that quick pan sear skin side down, this chicken should be cooked beautifully. Tender, juicy, and delicious. Doesn't that look spectacular? Man, oh man. This chicken was so flavorful. That barbecue dry rub had the perfect kick to give it that authenticity. I really enjoy thyme and rosemary, and I'm glad I included rosemary in this recipe as well. I mean, both of those herbs go beautifully with chicken when you're roasting them. And man, oh man, did they ever add that delicious flavor here. So herbaceous and just fantastic. As you can see, this chicken is juicy, tender, and delicious. Like a quick bite and it will just rip apart. That's exactly what I'm looking for, man. Just tender, juicy, and so flavorful. It's so easy to just oven roast some chicken, guys, and it's really not that hard. I highly recommend you give it a shot. You're going to be thrilled about the result. No lie, this is easy and such a delicious meal. And there's no exaggeration here. It means so much to me that you took the time to watch my video on how to oven roast chicken. I know this is a barbecue channel, but every time I have someone watching my videos, it means so much to me. If you haven't already, hit those buttons and like and subscribe. You can also join my community known as the Rub Club, where they help me support this channel. There's no pressure at all, though. I just hope you're enjoying yourself, watching some chicken videos and just having a good time. Man, oh man, barbecue and food is the best. Take care, stay safe, and have a great day.